welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. After more than a year of waiting, WazirX users have finally got some relief. On October 13, 2025, the Singapore High Court approved the exchange's restructuring plan. This means users can now recover up to 55% of the $235 million lost in the July 18, 2024 hack. Well, the recovery will be handled by Singapore-based Zeti Pte Limited, and payouts in USDT are expected within 10 business days. WazirX now faces the task of executing payouts while staying in line with regulators, giving users a chance to reclaim part of their funds and restoring confidence in the platform. Strategy, a publicly listed business intelligence firm and early corporate holder of Bitcoin, has expanded its digital asset treasury. The company announced that it acquired 220 BTC for approximately $27.2 million. This brings its total Bitcoin holdings to 640,250 BTC. Executive Chairman Michael Saylor confirmed the news today in a post on X. The purchase was done between October 6 and October 12, 2025 at an average price of $123,561 per Bitcoin. Strategy's cumulative treasury now stands at 640,250 BTC, which was acquired for the cost of approximately $47.38 billion, with the average purchase price of about $74,000 per coin. Hong Kong-listed investment bank China Renaissance is seeking to raise $600 million to introduce a public crypto treasury focused on BNB, the native token of the BNB chain that's widely used for discounts on Binance fees. Well, the proposed investment vehicle would be formed in the United States and structured as a publicly traded company designed specifically to buy and hold BNB. YZI Labs, the $10 billion family office of Binance co-founder CZ, plans to invest alongside the investment bank. JPMorgan is looking to scale up its blockchain and crypto exposure and is now developing plans to offer cryptocurrency trading services, according to a company executive. JPMorgan's global head of markets and digital assets, Scott Lucas, was asked if the banking giant would follow competitors such as Citibank into custodying crypto for its clients. In response, Lucas explained that it's not on the horizon near term for the bank, but emphasized that it is looking to offer crypto trading services. And Lucas said JPMorgan is currently exploring what the right custodians would look like for the firm. Citibank, an American multinational investment bank, is entering the digital asset space with plans to launch services for crypto products, including stablecoins and crypto ETFs. So with a target timeline of 2026, and a senior executive at Citigroup recently confirmed the bank's strategy primary focus on offering custody services for the assets that back stablecoins such as US Treasuries and cash. Well, Citi is also exploring custody for the underlying digital assets of crypto ETFs, particularly following the rise of spot Bitcoin ETFs, which require secure management of billions in digital currency. CME Group, the derivatives marketplace, has launched options on Solana and XRP futures today, October 13, 2025. The announcement on X states that the CFTC-regulated products are now active on the CME trading platform in the US. The new options are available in both standard and micro sizes. Expiry dates are flexible, which means they can expire every day, month, and quarter. And they are physically settled into the underlying futures contracts to provide seamless integration for professional and retail participants. Bhutan is migrating its self-sovereign national ID system from Polygon to Ethereum. This move will allow nearly 800,000 Bhutanese citizens to verify their identities and access government services using Ethereum's blockchain technology. According to Ethereum Foundation President Aya Miyaguchi, the integration with Ethereum has been successfully completed, and the migration of all citizen credentials is expected to finish by the first quarter of 2026. Miyaguchi and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin joined Bhutan's Prime Minister, sharing Topke and Crown Prince Jigme Wangchuk at the official launch ceremony. Bhutan's adoption of Ethereum marks the country's third blockchain-powered ID system, following earlier implementation on Hyperledger Indy and Polygon. BNB Chain has launched a $45 million reload airdrop aimed at compensating users who suffered losses trading meme coins during Friday's market crash. The initiative will distribute BNB tokens to more than 160,000 eligible addresses, the network said Monday. Airdrops will begin this week and completed by early November. According to Binance's founder and former CEO CZ, rewards will be allocated randomly. Well, the ecosystem partners such as Meme, PancakeSwap, Binance Wallet, and Trust Wallet will help distribute the funds to eligible traders. Amundi, Europe's largest asset manager with over $2 trillion in assets, is preparing to launch its first Bitcoin ETN in early 2026. The move would make Amundi the first major European institution, the formally to enter the Bitcoin market through regulated investment products, a space long dominated by US issuers. After years of observation, Amundi has taken the decision to enter Europe's digital assets market. The ETNs will serve as the regional counterpart to American Bitcoin ETFs, offering exposure to the underlying asset while complying with the continent's stricter regulatory framework. So Amundi's entry comes at a time when institutional appetite for Bitcoin is intensifying on both sides of the Atlantic. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF performance has reshaped market expectations, illustrating how regulatory clarity and institutional infrastructure can support digital asset adoption. House of Doge, the corporate arm of the Dogecoin Foundation, is set to go public through a merger with Bragg House Holdings Incorporation in a deal that could reshape Dogecoin's role in mainstream finance. The transaction, backed by over $50 million in investment capital, will create a multi-revenue digital asset platform uniting payments, gaming, and yield products under a regulated structure. Well, the merger grants House of Doge a Nasdaq listing, combining Dogecoin's massive community with Bragg House's Gen Z engagement engine. The new entity will operate as a digital asset management platform with integrated Dogecoin denominated payments, licensing, and yield-generating financial products, a first for the meme-inspired cryptocurrency. With over 837 million Doge under management, 107 million through 21 shares is Swiss ETP, and more than 730 million within the official Dogecoin Treasury, House of Doge is now the largest institutional holder globally. That's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3versetv.com or scan the QR code.